Hey guys, I'm gonna test this out here and see if you can hear me. And I'm gonna share my screen with the whiteboard to see if you can hear me and see what I'm saying. I've been having a lot of questions about reminding everyone about distributive property. So one of the questions I continue to get is if I have 2x plus 4, 2 times x plus 4, and to distribute, that means that I need to, let's see if I can move this. Here we go. This means multiplication. So you are taking 2 times the quantity of x plus 4. And to do that, you have to take this outside term and multiply it by all of the inside terms. So I'm going to take 2 times the first term, so 2x plus, because you bring this sign down, 2 times 4 is 8. And this is as far as you can go because these are unlike terms because there's no just number alone and there's no x with this one. So this would be my final answer. To kind of think of this in a backwards way, it's called factoring. If I were to give you this first, so 2x plus 8, okay? So if I told you to factor this, which I know is on some examples of some of the at-home learning that I've given my kiddos, I am looking for the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor is the number that's going to go here outside of the problem. So the greatest common factor between 2 and 8, what do you think would be that greatest common factor? Well, if you're paying attention here, it's 2. So we put the 2 outside of the parentheses. And now I'm going to take this greatest common factor and divide each of the terms by it. Okay? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then x is left. So I have x. 1x, or you can just write x. Then you're going to bring the plus sign down again. And then 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this is called distributing. And this is called factoring. Now, I always tell my kids a good way to check this is to distribute your answer. And if you end up with the original question, you got it right. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is 8. And there's a plus sign in the middle. These match. So this is the correct way to factor.